So let's take a look at how you can create customer contact log in Airtable. So what we can do, we can open Airtable, start from scratch. Now here you can use existing sources like Google Sheet, Excel, CSV data, or any pasted data, or even the templates. So what I'm going to do is I will remove the existing fields. Right now we only have one field left, which is going to be primary field. So I did that, turn that into auto number, and instead of name we can make it number. Right, save that. Now to create that particular customer contact log, we'll be adding one customer ID field. Can make it text or make it number, all up to you. Can make it single line text, and we can add custom ID, which is mix of both alphabet and numbers. Right, then we add company name. Right, so that company that customer ID belongs to. Then comes the contact name. Right, so contact name, we use single text. Right, then comes the city. Right, so here we can make multiple select option. Say you are from some cities in India, like Delhi, Pune, Mumbai, or others. Right, create field. Then let's say if you have phone field, you can use that. You can also add email field if you want. Right, so let's try and reduce this to some small size. Add email, and we also have ready-made email field. Finally we can use note. Right, so if you want to add some note regarding that particular customer. Right, so company name, let's say someone is from Musk, then contact name is right, then he is from say Mumbai. Right, then he has phone, then right, and then email, right, and finally note about that person. He is from say tech department contact. Right, so like this we can populate the customer contact log. We can also make use of say a form to do this. Customer contact log. Right, we can copy this and check who can edit, set to personal. Now we can create new view. Let's rename our base to that. Right, and then we added the check mark. Now that we have our form view ready, we can check it in another tab. Here you can choose the ID, something like CT003. Right, company name, let's say he's from Domino's. Contact name, right, then he's from specific city. Right, then he has particular name, like for his email, then he is from say finance department contact. Right, we save this, and then we will try and view this in grid view so that we can see if it got entered. So here you see customer ID, name, contact name, then city, and so on. So these two are blank because we added auto number, and considering these fields were already made, it skipped to the fourth. Now next would be 5 and onwards. So this you will have to fill on your own. So this pretty much forms your customer contact log in Airtable.